Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create these mini magic hearts. These little hearts can be made in 20 to 30 seconds each. They're a brilliant little scrap buster for all your loose tails that you've had left over from your previous projects. They're really super easy to make. They're all in one round and they're just worked into a magic ring. So to begin, we're going to start with our magic ring first of all. If you don't know how to make one of these, if you pop onto my YouTube channel and look at my playlist for crochet basics, there is a nice slow video there which will teach you thoroughly how to create a simple magic ring. Okay, so for speed of video purposes, I'm not going to show you today. Okay, so we have our magic ring. Now we're going to be working all of our stitches into our magic ring, okay, and it's just the one round, and yeah, it's just super simple. So to begin, we're going to start by chaining 2, 1 and 2. I'm going to be explaining this in US terms, okay, so I am going to insert 2 double crochets into the ring to begin with. So that's 1 and 2. So we've got our starting chain of 2 and 2 double crochets. Then we are going to create 2 half double crochets. So it's the same as a double, but you don't yarn over for the second time. You pull through all 3 loops. So it's 2 half double crochets. Then we're going to add 1 more double crochet. Okay, so just to recap, we started with a chain of 2, we've inserted a double crochet, a half double crochet, a second half double crochet, and then another double crochet there. Now we're going to work another 2 half double crochets. So 1 and 2. And 2 more double crochets. Yarn over once, pull through 2, yarn over twice, pull through 2. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and then we are going to chain 2. Okay, so we had our chain 2 to begin with, then we inserted 2 double crochets, then 2 half double crochets, followed by a double crochet, followed by 2 half double crochets and another 2 double crochets. Then we chained 2. Now it's called a magic heart for a reason. Now this is the magic bit. If you grab your tail from your magic ring and you pull it tight, pull it all the way closed in the center, and you will see once you slip stitch, so we've chained our 2, we've closed our ring, now we're going to slip stitch into the center of our heart. Okay, so try not to pull your magic ring too tight before you do this, and pull up your loop, and that is your little magic heart. Now to finish this shape off just that little bit more nicely, what I like to do is pull up the loop, trim my end off, so go back to the front, then pull my loop up, and then what I like to do is insert my hook from the back into the center, so working from the back to the front, right into from the center of the heart. And then if you grab your tail that you've just created your slip knot and pull that back through to the back of the heart, so you've got both tails on the back side of the heart there, it just tidies up that shape really nicely and just creates that nice symmetrical top bumps there. Okay, so just to quickly recap in case you've lost your way a little bit. So we started with a chain of 2, a double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet again, half double crochet, double crochet, we chained 2, slip stitched into the center of the ring, pulled our magic ring tail to pull it closed, cut off our yarn, pulled the tail up and fed it through from the front through to the back. Okay, there you go. Super easy and hardly uses any yarn at all. They're fantastic for cards, etc. Or for applique onto clothing and everything like that. They're really cute for headbands too. Yeah, so that's all for today for this one. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you don't already, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and pop this video a like to help keep it up there in the listings. I'd really appreciate it. Lovely. Thanks again, guys, and happy crocheting.